Hey guys, myself Romita Chopra. Welcome to Craft Grow. कैसे हैं आप लोग? Well, today I'll teach you how to make a chocolate box. For that, you will need cardboard, chart paper, paper tapes, ribbons, and a lot of chocolates. So let's get started. First, take a black chart of 20 into 20 inches. Now mark the borders. And repeat it on these two. Now paste cardboard pieces on the chart and paste the borders. Now cover it with pink paper. Now take a paper of 24 into 24 centimeter and paste cardboard pieces on it. Now cut the edges and paste them. Now paste black paper on it. Now cut this from here. Now paste these to make a top. To make a cake, you need to take these shapes of paper, fold this in half and cut it. Now make cuts in 0.5 cm area of this semicircle. Now fold these and paste a paper strip on these. Now do same with other semicircle. And paste it on other side of this paper strip. In same way, form other semicircles too. Now stick these semicircles in descending order to form a cake. Now stick these two pieces together with the help of a paper. Decorate this cake with designer border strips. And also use sparkle sheet. To make this paper roses, check out the video in the top right corner. Now paste a ribbon on this base and paste only this side of the cake on it. Now put some mini chocolates inside the cake. Now tie the ribbon. With the help of a double-sided tape, paste chocolates on the sides. Repeat on all sides. Now close the box. And decorate it with paper tapes. And now tie a ribbon. and our chocolate explosion box is ready. Do tell me in comments how much you like this idea and give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. Also, if you are interested in decoration ideas, check out this playlist on my channel. I hope you like it and do check out my other videos too. So, फिर मिलते हैं next video में. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care and thank you very much.